Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 6 Instagram accounts that will promote your Etsy store. Now, if you want to learn an effective way to get your products in front of hundreds or thousands of people at once, make sure to watch all the way to the end. Now, if this is also your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't know if you guys know this, but for Instagram content drives more engaged traffic than any other visual social content. So Instagram is a great place for Etsy sellers to find their target audience, to grow brand awareness, and drive traffic to their Etsy stores. You just have to know how to use it the correct way. And having other people promote your products, especially if you find it difficult promoting it in your own Instagram account, is one of the easiest ways to drive tons of traffic back to your Etsy store. So let's go ahead and take a look at 6 Instagram accounts that for a small fee will promote your Etsy products to their followers who already shown interest in Etsy products and services. So let's go ahead and dive in. The first one is called Maker's Village, and I will leave their handle names on the text box below. That way you guys could follow them. And they actually have a nice following, 173,000 followers. And as you guys can see, they promote a lot of stuff, different types of niche on their Instagram account. A lot of these are Etsy stores as well as other businesses that are handmade businesses and they make their own stuff. So keep that in mind that whether you have an Etsy store, maybe you have your own website that you promote, you could actually use these accounts also to promote your products. But as you can see, they have tons of different items. So it is a really nice place to promote your items. The second account is called Handmade Loves with an S at the end. And they also have a large following. And they have beautiful photos of different sellers that sell different stuff. What you also want to make sure that you do is whenever you start applying to be featured on these people's account, make sure that you read the profile. It gives you instructions right here on what to do. And also, whatever picture you send to them to promote, make sure it's like your best product. Maybe it's your best seller. Maybe it's a new product that you have that you want to test out to see if people actually react to it. But also make sure that the photo looks really, really good, right? You don't want to send a photo that doesn't look good, that doesn't have a good background or distorted. They might actually decline it as well if it doesn't look good. So just keep that in mind. The third account is called Found Made Modern, which is a really nice name. And they don't have as large a following as the other ones, but I know people that have promoted with them and they have gotten good results. That's why I wanted to go ahead and showcase them in this actual video. And they actually also accept beautiful pictures. They have all types of different niches that they promote, which is really, really cool. And the way that people find your products is that whenever they promote your product, I love this, they actually put your store name right here. And when somebody clicks there, it takes them to your actual profile. And that's how people find you. So what you want to make sure you also do is that in your actual profile, like this is my profile here, you have your link to your Etsy store. That way when people land on the profile, if they want to visit that product that they liked, they could go ahead and visit and shop from you. So make sure that your profile is completely filled out and you have entered your actual Etsy store link. Now let's look at the fourth store. So this one is called Handmade Curator, and they have 88,000 followers, which is a really good number. And they also promote all types of products, as you guys could see, which is really nice. They have a really good engagement, so this will be a really good one for you guys. And then another one, you probably heard of this one, is called Etsy Hunter. They're pretty big as well. They have 213,000 followers. And they also promote all types of things. As you guys could see, beautiful images, beautiful pictures, beautiful products. And just make sure that you click and follow the steps. And the last one is called Craft Curate. They have over 103,000 followers. You would do the same as well. Apply below to be featured. You would click here. And as you guys can see, they have a huge following and they have beautiful, beautiful products, as you guys could see. So this is the one of the best ways to promote your products, getting in front of hundreds and thousands of people at once, and hopefully get some sales going. So I think the biggest takeaways are make sure that your profile is filled out completely before you start promoting. Make sure that your Etsy store is in your link. Make sure that you have a nice feed of your products and services that you sell. And then make sure that when you do apply to be featured, you are putting your best sellers or the best photos or new products that you want to test out and see how they do. But this is an easy way to get tons of traffic back to your Instagram account, as well as, which is the ultimate goal, back to your Etsy store. Let me know in the comment section if you ever try any of these. Have you tried any of the ones that I mentioned? Have they worked for you? I would love to hear about your experience. And thank you guys for watching.